All of you keep your mics in mute. అందరూ మీ మైక్స్ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. So happy morning all of you. Welcome to the session. Yesterday we have discussed about communication in English at various places. So yesterday the children who participated in the activities, do you remember them? Children? So yesterday we have discussed about English at various places, and some children actively participated in role plays also. And today we are continuing with that topic. Yesterday we have discussed about conversing at banks and conversing at post office. And today we are going to learn about conversation at railway station. So before that, we are before discussing about the conversation at railway station, can anyone raise your hand to say what are the things would happen at railway station? Railway station lo emem jarugutayi, and what are the things you can see, and what is the process of getting a ticket or a reservation ticket? So one of you please raise your hand. Raise your hand. So one of you please raise your hand to say the things what you can see at railway station. Railway station lo emem untayi? So what can we see at railway station? General ga railway station lo elanti conversations untayi? What can we see at railway station? Any one of you please raise your hand. We ఎవరైనా raise చేస్తే నేను వాళ్ళని unmute చేస్తాను. And Indra, some Indra raised his hand. So Indra, what can you see at railway station? So Das Mama, will you say? So anybody from the participants? Okay, Jyoti, Patana Jyoti.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What can you see at railway station?
TT.
TT, yeah, very good. TT.
TT.
Inko?
Train.
Train, TT, yeah, very good. Train. Ticket counter, very good. Trains, very good. Trains and Inka, the main thing, passengers.
Morning, madam.
Good morning. So we see trains, passengers, TC and ticket counter. So anything else? ఇంకా ఏమన్నా చూస్తామా? So okay, generally conversation ఏముంటుంది railway station లో, and we have seen these kind of things at railway station, what Jyoti said, and conversations ఏముంటాయి? సరే ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ మీరు టికెట్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, you're taking ticket to travel somewhere. So for example, you're traveling to New Delhi. సో అప్పుడు మీరు టికెట్ కౌంటర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఏం మాట్లాడతారు, ఎలా కాన్వర్స్ చేస్తారు?
రిజర్వేషన్ చేయాలి మేడం.
రిజర్వేషన్
చేయాలి మేడం.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. రిజర్వేషన్ చేయించాలి. రిజర్వేషన్ రిజర్వేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు అయ్యా రిజర్వేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? So Jyoti, yeah, what you said is correct. Okay, to go to Delhi, you first reserve your ticket. So how you reserve your ticket? So reservation కోసం వెళ్తారు. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత where do you go first? To reserve a ticket, where do you go first? How do you do that? రిజర్వేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఓకే, నేను ఒక మోడల్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ చూపిస్తాను. So procedure at railway ticketing. So look at this. What are the things we do at railway station? So reservation counter lo first we reserve the ticket, and sometimes we'll cancel the ticket, and we have different forms for that. To reserve a ticket we have a different form, and to cancel a ticket also we have a different form. So how the conversation will be? So look at the conversation. So this is the conversation between Pawan and a railway clerk. So can anybody read this first? By looking at the screen, can anybody read this first? Then we'll change the necessary, we'll make the necessary changes then. So who will take that initiation? Who will participate in that? So only by looking at the screen, you have to read that. One person should act as Pawan and another one as railway clerk. Yesterday we have practiced in the same way. Okay, good. Divya K, GJC Kauru raised hand. So Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you continue. And but if you switch on your camera, it's good. And you and your partner, and you two persons should be Pawan and railway clerk. Okay. Yeah. Divya, unmute your mic and you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good.
Excuse me. Could you please help me with the reservation form? Sure. Here it is. I am planning to travel from the Kurnool to Vijayawada. Which train can I
Prefer.
Which class do you prefer? Two train AC, three train AC, or sleeper classes? Clarity.
Yeah, continue this. Continue this.
Sleeper
Divya.
class. I go with sleeper class. Yes, then Yeshwantpur Express have enough vacant berths. May I know the train number of Yeshwantpur Express? It's displayed on the board over there. Thank you.
So this is the model conversation. The person wants to book a railway ticket from Kurnool to Vijayawada. So we'll do some changes here. Instead of Kurnool to Vijayawada, you can choose from your place to Delhi. మీరు ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నారో ఆ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్తున్నారు. So you change this conversation first and everything will be as it is. Excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form, and the dialogue is same and the railway clerks is also same, but you have to change here the place. So here from Kurnool to Vijayawada, you have to tell that from your place to Delhi. మీ ప్లేస్ మీరు ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటున్నారో ఆ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్ళడానికి ట్రైన్స్ అడగాలి. ఓకే, సో యూ కాన్వర్స్ ద సేమ్. దివ్య, yeah, Divya, continue this. Instead of that Kurnool to Vijayawada, you tell about from your place to Delhi. You change your
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, you do that. You do that.
వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి, ఎందుకంటే రేపు అమ్ముతారు అప్పుడు పట్ల ఎట్లయితే కట్టేస్తారు మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు పడిపోతారు. వాళ్ళకి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్.
చూడు వాళ్ళందరూ మనకి వాళ్ళందరే చూడాలి మనం.
మా ప్లీజ్ అమ్మా, ఒక దివ్య వాళ్ళు తప్ప మిగతా అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
చూడు కదా అందరూ తిరిగి పెట్టు నాకు పెట్టి
అందరూ మిగతా అందరూ మీ ఆడియో మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, ఒక దివ్య వాళ్ళు తప్పించి. దివ్య, you can continue that.
మ్యామ్ సేమ్ గా చదవమా లేకపోతే ఏమన్నా యాడ్ చేయాలా?
చేంజ్ చేసి యాక్చువల్ గా అక్కడ ప్లేస్ ఫ్రమ్ కర్నూలు టు విజయవాడ ఉంది కదా, ఆ కర్నూలు టు విజయవాడని మీ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఢిల్లీ వరకు వెళ్ళినట్టు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, ఆ చేంజెస్ చేసి చదవండి.
Excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form? Sure. Here it is. I am planning to travel from Guntur to Ponnur. Which travel?
Delhi.
Prefer. Which class do you prefer? Two tray AC, three tray AC, or sleeping classes? Sleeper. I go with sleeper class. Then Yeshwantpur Express have enough. Yeshwantpur got change. Oh, sorry. Guntur Express.
Yeah, very good.
Express have enough vacant berths. May I know the train number of Guntur Express? It's displayed on the board over there. Thank you.
Yeah, very good.
హాయ్ మేడం,
So very good. Thank you, Divya. Both of you, thank you very much. So they have made these changes, isn't it? సో ఇక్కడ ఇంకా చేంజెస్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. అండ్ హియర్ Pawan, excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form? You can ask yes, or else excuse me, could you please give me the reservation form? You can change that one. Listen that all of you please be in mute. All of you please be in mute. So first Pawan and railway clerk, and first we have changed the places from which place to which place, and now we have to make an some more changes like this. Pawan, excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form on the kada? We can ask, excuse me, could you please give me the reservation form? Or else, vinandi nenu cheppe phrases vinandi. Or else you can ask, excuse me, can I get a reservation form? Okay, two more phrases we can change. One is, excuse me, please give me the reservation form. Or else, excuse me, can I get a reservation form? Okay. After two changes. Railway clerk can say, sure, here it is. That there is no change in that. Next, Pawan, I am planning to travel from Kannur to Vijayawada is there. And you can tell about your own place. Akka place marchochu. And next one, which class do you prefer? This is also as it is. And from next one, so for the next one, you can say that if you know the names of the trains, and here also, I will go with the sleeper class, he said. Instead of sleeper class, you can say that I will go with 2-tier AC or 3-tier AC, you can prefer. You can say that I prefer, instead of I will go with sleeper class, you can use other phrase that is, I prefer 2-tier AC, or you can say I prefer 3-tier AC, or you can say I prefer with sleeper class. I prefer sleeper class. So next, you make these necessary changes, and you make these changes, and now you converse, and someone has. Okay. Now, anybody from, if anybody, so let me check this. So now who will try this one? Who will try this? So, changes ఏంటంటే changes first, listen the changes. Ikkada, excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form place lo? You can use, excuse me, can I get a reservation form? Or else, excuse me, please give me the reservation form. Changes cheyandi. Okay. And next, ikkada I am planning to travel from Kurnool to Vijayawada. Ikkada మీ place నుంచి విజయవాడ పెట్టుకోండి. And here, which class do you prefer? A 2-tier AC, 3-tier AC, or sleeper class? As it is ga unchukochu. And next, I will go with sleeper class. In this place, you can say that I prefer 2nd AC, or you can say I prefer 3rd AC, or you can say I prefer sleeper class. Okay. So conversation ni koncham modifications cheddam. So who will take this chance to converse? So changes ఏం చేయాలో తెలిసింది కదమ్మా. So who will take this chance? From so girls participated till now. Boys, any boys, any boy from boys from any college? So Bhanu Teja, and so Bhanu Teja, very good. Bhanu Teja and some other your friend, and who sits besides you? Yeah, you both can converse this. Changes చేసి చేయండి conversation. Okay. Unmute చేసుకుని conversation చదవండి. Bhanuteja?
Madam.
Yeah. Yeah, first read this with the necessary changes. And so do you have your friend with you there? Do you have your friend with you there? You both can. So, or from any college. ఎవరైనా participate చేయొచ్చు. You can practice this. So Divya, will you take the chance again?
Okay, madam.
Make this conversation again with the necessary changes. One has responded through chat. So from any college you can join and participate in this. Yeah, L Narayan Rao GJC Laveru. So I think they are ready to answer. L Narayan Rao, Narayan Rao GJC Laveru.
ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాసా
Yeah,
ఎవరు ఆమె చెప్పేది
ఎవరమ్మా
సౌజన్య
so participate చేయండి అమ్మా, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే you can speak well.
ఒకేషనలా
పర్సనల్ డెవలప్మెంట్
మీ సంబంధించినవి కదా
అన్నీ ఉంటాయి దీంట్లో.
So Government Junior College Sompeta. Government Junior College Sompeta. So are you in the session?
గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజ్
Nani raised hand. Who is Nani? Who is Nani? Ma, you're raising hands and you're responding through the chat box. When I ask you to unmute, why are you not unmuting yourself? Yeah, Nani, you can speak. Nani, you can speak. So you need to respond also in the class.
ఆన్లైన్ తెలీదు అదే ఆఫ్లైన్
Why nobody is responding? So these many students, no, none of them are ready to practice. మా ఇంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, ఎవరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయరా? Instead of typing in the chat box, why don't you unmute yourself and speak? None of them is ready to practice this, right? So nobody is going to practice this. మా వినిపిస్తుందా నేను చెప్పేది ఎవరికైనా?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Two participants raised their hands but they are not speaking. Yes, two participants raised their hands. May I know who are they? And one is Shrikant, who raised their hands. So who raised their hands, please unmute your mics and speak this one, practice this one. So unnecessary changes నేను ఏం చెప్పానో చేంజ్ చేసుకుని you can speak.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
I'm from Rudrakaka College.
Yeah, very good.
My
May
name
I-
is Jyotika.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jyotika, for your initiation. Do you have your friend with you? Do you have your friend with you to practice this conversation? Yes.
My name is Devakumari, madam.
Very good, Devakumari.
Character person. I'm Pawan. My
Yeah.
friend was railway clerk.
Very good.
Excuse me, could you please help me? Could you please help me with the reservation form?
Yeah, wait. Pawan, I said you to change the phrases. Excuse me, could you please help me with the reservation form? In that place, you can use, excuse me, can I get the reservation form? Or excuse me, please give me the reservation form. Okay. ఈ phrase ని చేంజ్ చేసి మాట్లాడండి. అంటే ఈ సెంటెన్స్ ని చేంజ్ చేసి దాని ప్లేస్ లో can I get the reservation form or please give me the reservation form. Okay. Okay. Start.
Do you perfect?
Excuse me, please give me a reservation form.
Very good.
Sure, where it is. Yes.
Yeah, next one. Pawan.
I'm planning to travel from Kurnool to Vijayawada. Which
In-
train?
Yes, here in the place of Kurnool to Vijayawada, you can tell your place, from your place to Delhi. Yeah,
I'm
very good.
planning to travel from Gudwada to Delhi. Which
Yeah.
train can I prefer?
Very good. Next,
Which
railway
class
clerk.
do Which
Hmm.
class do you prefer to?
Yeah, you can continue, railway clerk.
3-tier AC or sleeper class?
Yes, very good. Next, Pavan.
I will go with sleeper class.
Instead of sleeper class, railway clerk asked you to three options, has given three options: 2-tier AC, 3-tier AC, and sleeper class. It is already there with sleeper class. You can prefer any other. ఇక్కడ I will go with sleeper class బదులు I prefer అని చెప్పి either you can say 2-tier AC or 3-tier AC.
I prefer 3-train AC.
Very good. Very
Tier
good.
AC. Then Yashwantpur Express have enough vacant beds.
Yeah, vacant berths. Yeah, next Pavan.
May I know the train number of Yashwantpur Express?
Yeah, next.
Yashwantpur Express.
Yeah, next railway clerk.
It's displayed on the board over there. Thank you.
Thank you.
So very good. You have changed. Ante unna model conversation. Now you have framed your own conversation. So got it. మీరు మీ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ని చేశారు.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you are from which college, ma?
Rudrapaka College.
Rudrapaka.
Government Junior College, Rudrapaka, ma'am.
Which district?
Krishna, ma'am.
Krishna. Very good. Students from Rudrapaka, you participated well and actively you participated.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, for you, I want to give claps to you. Yeah, okay. So you have really participated well. So this is about the conversation at railway station. So we'll see conversing at different places. Already we have discussed yesterday about the conversation at bank and conversation at post office, and today we have learned about the conversation at railway clerk at railway station, and we have some more places to discuss, and I'll show you that. So some more places, communication at various places. Here we have medical stores, hospitals, park, and cinema. So what medical store? Medical stores can be, we can call it as chemist, drug store, pharmacy and medical store and drug store and chemist and all these four same. So ఇక్కడ మెడికల్ స్టోర్ కి కామన్ గా వెళ్ళి వాట్ వి ఆస్క్, మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్ దగ్గర ఎలాంటి డిస్కషన్ ఉంటుంది, అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ హాస్పిటల్స్ అన్న డిస్పెన్సరీస్ అన్న ద సేమ్, diagnostic centers are different, and we have parks and cinema. So how we converse at these four places we are going to learn now. So మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్ లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, ఎలా కాన్వర్స్ చేస్తాం? మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్ లో పర్సన్స్ ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారు? సో వాట్ ఈస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇన్ ఫార్మసీ అన్న, మెడికల్ స్టోర్ అన్న, డ్రగ్ స్టోర్ అన్న, కెమిస్ట్ అన్న ద సేమ్. How do pharmacists communicate with patients? What is the importance of communication in healthcare? What are the effective communication skills in healthcare? What causes poor communication in healthcare? So here we are going to discuss about these things first, and then we'll practice the conversation at that particular place. Okay. జనరల్ గా ఫార్మసీలో కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఫార్మసీ ఆర్ మెడికల్ స్టోర్. మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్ లో మనం జనరల్ గా వెయిట్ కోసం వెళ్తుంటాం. అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద హ్యావ్ జనరల్ గా చెప్పండి. ఇది జనరల్ గా యూ కెన్ సే దట్. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మెడికల్ స్టోర్ వెళ్ళి మందులు కొని ఉంటారు కదా. Samuel Paul raised a hand and you can say Samuel Paul. Samuel Paul, you can unmute yourself and you can say that.
Communication medical in medical stores. What is communication in pharmacy medical store?
Yeah, okay.
How pharmacy communication with parents? What is the importance of communication in healthcare? What are the sensitive communication skills in healthcare? What plays role is your communication in the healthcare?
Very good, Samuel. You have read this one. And next, నేనేం అడుగుతున్నానంటే జనరల్ గా మీరు ఫార్మసీకి మెడికల్ స్టోర్ కి వెళ్తే ఎలా ఉంటది కాన్వర్సేషన్? జనరల్ గా మెడికల్ స్టోర్ లో పర్సన్ జనరల్ గా ఏం మాట్లాడతారు?
జనరల్ గా మ్యామ్ అంటే ఎక్కువ మెడిసిన్స్
ఎలా అడుగుతారు అంటే జనరల్ గా? అంటే నో నీడ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, యూ కెన్ సే ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళి ఉంటావు కదా.
ఓకే వెళ్ళండి మ్యామ్.
ఇక అప్పుడు ఎలా జరిగింది నీకు గుర్తున్న?
అప్పుడు మ్యామ్ ఓ పర్సన్ వస్తాడు మ్యామ్. పర్సన్ మీకు ఏం కావాలని అడుగుతాడు మ్యామ్.
యా, వెరీ గుడ్.
అతను వచ్చి మెడిసిన్స్ మన లిస్ట్ ఇస్తాడు మేడం. లిస్ట్ తీసుకుని మనకి మెడిసిన్ ఇస్తాడు మ్యామ్.
సో డాక్టర్ ప్రిస్క్రిప్షన్ చూపిస్తావు వాళ్ళకి?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Yes,
చూసుకున్న వాళ్ళు మెడిసిన్స్ ఇస్తారు మ్యామ్. మనీ ఇచ్చి వస్తాను మ్యామ్ తీసుకుని మెడిసిన్.
yes, that is a general conversation between the customer and the pharmacist.
Yes, ma'am.
Pharmacist. Very good. Samuel, may I know you are from which college?
Sierna GJC ma'am.
Which college?
Setanagaram ma'am. GJC Government College.
Government College. Which district?
Say East Godavari ma'am.
East Godavari. Very good. Very good, Samuel. From Setanagaram Government Junior College, East Godavari. And you, what you said is correct. And so, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. What is communication pharmacy? Ante he gave the answer. Pharmacy lo communication em untadante we will ask for medicine and we will get medicine from them. Okay. So that is a conversation we will see at the medical stores. Okay. So as we know that communication is exchanging of information. Akkada information exchange cheskunnam. Thoughts ఏంటంటే Samuel asked for medicine and pharmacist gave his reply. Understand? సో దాంతో పాటు ఫార్మసిస్ట్ ఇంకా కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు. ఏం అడుగుతారంటే డూ ఐ గివ్ ఆల్ దీస్ టాబ్లెట్స్ అని, లేకపోతే ఎన్ని పిల్స్ ఇవ్వాలి అది కూడా అడుగుతారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డాక్టర్ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్ 10 pills టు యూ, సో 10 ఇచ్చేయమంటారా అని అడుగుతారు సమ్ టైమ్స్. అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ దే విల్ గివ్ సమ్ సజెషన్స్ ఆల్సో మనకి ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో అలా కాన్వర్సేషన్ అనేది బిల్డప్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. Understand? సో ఇక్కడ ఒక మోడల్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఉంది చూడండి. కాన్వర్సేషన్ బిట్వీన్ కస్టమర్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్. సో లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్, how the conversation takes place. What can I do for you, sir? I want to buy some medicines. What Samuel said. So before Samuel responded and has said his experience, the same it has converted into some other language, that is English language. So what he said, the same in English language. So what can I do for you, sir? A customer, I want to buy some medicines. May I know which medicines do you want? Customer, I have got a doctor prescription for some medicines for my wife. Chemist, please show me. I shall, customer's dialogue, I shall just show you. It was in my coat pocket. I'm trying to find out. Here it is, please. Means he's kept his hands in the pocket and he has taken out the slip and given to chemist. Chemist.
I'll keep it so that you can see.
There are yeah.
కనిపిస్తుందా నాకు
బ్యాటింగ్ ఏం రాదా
Please be in mute, all of you. All of you, please be in mute. So, chemist, there are 5 medicines written in this prescription. I'm sorry that we don't have the last medicine. If you want, you can have the first 4 medicines. When can I have the other medicine, please? Because what chemist said that inka conversation build up aindi. Elante he asked for 5 kinds of medicines, and but they have only 4 and they don't have the last one. So customer is inquiring about the availability of the medicine. So chemist, you can have it on Friday. We have already placed the order with manufacturers and we hope to get it it's before Friday. Get that before Friday. Then please give me the medicines which are available with you for 2 weeks. So ikkada inka develop aindi. That is they are asking medicine for 2 weeks. And next chemist says that just a minute, please. Here or your medicine. Your medicine, that is not your medicine. Here or your medicine. Customer says, thank you. Chemist, anything else you want, please? Customer, now I want some general medicines for my family. Have you got Anacin? Chemist, yes, please. How many tablets do you want? Please give me 1 packet of 10 tablets. And here it is, please. Thank you, sir. So this is a model conversation. We can make changes in this. So what can I do for you, sir? You can say in the place of what can I do for you, sir, you can use what do you want, sir? How can I help you, sir? You can change these sentences. What can I do for you, sir? How can I help you, sir? What do you want, sir? Here, I want to buy some medicines. Or else I can say I want some medicines. And next one, may I know which medicines do you want? You can say that, you can change this. Okay, which medicines do you want? You can also say this. And customer, I have got a doctor's prescription for some medicines for my wife. You can change that. I have got doctor's prescription for some medicine for my father. You can say for my mother. You can say my brother. Anything. So, please show me. Next. So please be in mute. Next, customer says, I shall just show you. It was in my coat pocket. And you can say directly, you can give it. Directly, you can give the prescription. Instead of saying this dialogue. Chemist can see, chemist. Hello, am I audible? Okay. Next customer says, yes, customer says, I shall just show you. It was in my pocket. Or you can say, give that directly. You can say there are 5 medicines written in this prescription. Okay. Instead of 5 medicines, you can add 10 medicines written in this prescription. Or you can say, I'm sorry that we don't have the last medicine. Instead of that, you can say that we don't have the first medicine, you can say, or we don't have 3 kinds, you can say. Prashant, please be in mute. Please be in mute. సో ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ని ఫస్ట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా కాన్వర్స్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో కొన్ని చేంజెస్ చేసి చేయాలి. ఓకే, okay, first do this conversation as it is and then make necessary changes. So it is there on, it is displayed on the screen so that it is easy for you to converse. Okay, so who will take that chance? And who will take that chance to converse the converse this displayed on the screen?
Ma'am, I would like to read, ma'am.
Yeah, who is that? Very good.
Kundana, ma'am.
Kundana, from which college?
Government Junior College for Girls, Guntur, ma'am.
Very good, Kundana. You can start and take the help of your friend. One should be the chemist, and the another one should be customer. Except Kundana, the rest of the students, please be in mute. Oh, please. Amma, please, the rest of the, except Kundana, the rest of the students, please be in mute. Kundana, you can continue. Kundana, you
I
can
would like to be
continue.
chemist, ma'am.
Yeah,
Who is the
very good.
customer, ma'am?
Yeah, don't you have any friend with you? Kundana?
I am alone, ma'am. I'm at my house, ma'am.
Very good. Then, well, anybody be? She wants to be chemist, and Kundana wants to be a chemist, and anybody want to be the customer? ఎవరైనా customer role play చేస్తారా? Anybody can. Anybody can. So she is the chemist, and ఎవరైనా customer role play చేస్తారా? Is anybody ready to practice this one?
Mute up, Jaya.
Shruti Raj Vinikonda. Shruti Raj, Guntur district.
Which role, ma'am?
Yeah, Shruti. Yeah, she is a customer then. Kundana, you are the chemist. Kundana, you are the chemist, and Shruti Raj is the customer.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, you can start. Yes, Kundana, start.
What can I do for you, sir?
I want to buy some medicines.
May I know which medicines do you want?
I have got a doctor's prescription for some medicines for my life.
Please show me, sir.
I shall just show you. It was my coat pocket. I am trying to find out. Here's it is, please.
There are 5 medicines written in this prescription. I'm sorry that we don't have the last medicine. If you want, you can have the first 4 medicines, sir.
When can I have the other medicine, please?
You did have it.
Continue. Kundana, continue this.
You can have it on Friday. We have already placed the order with manufacturers.
Sorry to interrupt you. So, except these two, the remaining please be in mute. Except these two, the remaining please be in mute. Yeah, you can continue, Kundana.
You can have it on Friday. We have already placed the order with manufacturers, and we hope to it is before Friday.
Please give me the medicine which are available with you for 2 weeks.
Just a minute, please. Here are your medicines.
Thank you.
Anything else do you want, sir?
Now I want some general medicine for my family. Have you got ancient?
Enacin.
Nation?
Anacin. Yes, please. How many tablets do you want?
Please give me one pocket of 10 tablets. 10 tablets.
Packet of 10 tablets.
Here it is, please. Here it
Yeah.
is, please.
Customer, your reply.
Thank you, sir.
So very good. Thank you for your active participation. And we'll do some changes here. Here in the chemist, what can I do for you, sir? In the place of that, you can use some other sentences also. Like, what do you want, sir? How can I help you, sir? And so do some changes. And customer here, instead of I have got a doctor's prescription for some medicines for my wife, in that place you can say about your mother or father or brother, any person. Okay. Instead of customer, I shall just show you it was in my coat pocket. You can give the prescription directly. You can give the prescription directly. Direct prescription చూపించ here it is అని. Okay. Next, there are 5 medicines. In that 5 medicines, you can change the number, and you can say that I'm sorry that we don't have the last 4 medicines. You can say that we have all the medicines, or else you can say I'm sorry that we don't have first 2 medicine. First 2 medicines, you can say that our changes, Tracy. You can start. Okay. Kundana, are you ready to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. And you do that. And have you heard the changes? No, that what I've
Ma'am,
said.
can you please repeat once again, ma'am?
So what can I do for you, sir? Instead of that, you can change the phrase.
9 కి స్టార్ట్ చేసాడు క్లాస్.
How can I help you? How
9
can
to
I
10,
help
10
you?
to 11.
What do you want?
How can I help you?
Oh, what do you want? May I know what do you want? You can change that. So chemist is ready with the with her words. And please be in mute, all of you. Yeah, start, Kundana.
Mute కూడా ఆగదు.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes, you can start.
How can I help you, sir?
Customer. Yeah, where is the customer? So then I'll be the customer.
Okay, ma'am. Shall we start from beginning, ma'am?
Yes, we can. You can.
How can I help you, ma'am?
Yeah, I want some medicines.
May I know which medicines do you want?
I have got a doctor's prescription. I want those medicines.
Please show me, ma'am.
Yeah, here it is.
There are 2 medicines written in this prescription. I'm sorry that we don't have the last medicine. If you want, you can have the first 1 medicine.
Oh, when can I expect the that medicine? When can you get that medicine? Do I get it by tomorrow? Which one you don't have?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You can have it on Thursday. You can have it on Thursday. We have already placed the order with manufacturers, and we hope it is before Friday also.
Okay, but you said Thursday, and okay, then please give me the medicine which you have. with you now.
Just a minute, please. Here are your medicine, ma'am.
Give it for a month.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait a second. Here are your medicines, ma'am, for 1 month.
Thank you.
Anything
Yeah.
else you want, ma'am?
Yes, I want some general medicine for cold.
How
Do you
many?
I want 10 tablets.
Okay, ma'am. Here it is, ma'am. Please take it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very much. And
Thank you, ma'am. Please visit again.
Yeah, we will sure will visit. So thank you, Kundana, for your participation. May I know you're from which college? Guntur Government Junior College. Am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes. Thank you very much, and you have participated actively. Children, you can practice. You can make your own conversation. This is a model conversation for you, and hope you understand the conversation at the chemist or the drugstore or the pharmacy. Pharmacy and a drugstore and a chemist and a medical store and a the same. There we have two persons. One is chemist, and another one is the customer. Maybe a helper. Sometimes maybe a helper. Understand? సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ని బేస్ చేసుకుని అండ్ యూ కెన్ మీ మీ రియల్ లైఫ్ లో అయిన కాన్వర్సేషన్స్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ విజిటెడ్ దిస్ మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్. చాలా మంది మెడికల్ స్టోర్స్ ని ఆల్రెడీ విజిట్ చేసే ఉంటారు. సో మెడికల్ స్టోర్ ఆల్రెడీ విజిట్ చేసే ఉంటారు కాబట్టి మీరు రేపటి క్లాస్ కి ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని మీ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఏం జరిగింది, ఏ టాబ్లెట్స్ మీరు తీసుకున్నారు, మీరు ఏ టాబ్లెట్స్ తీసుకున్నారు, ఇలాంటివి ఉంటాయి కదా. ట్రై టు మేక్ యువర్ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో రేపు ఎవరెవరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు? సో ఎవరెవరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు ఇవాళ నాకు నేమ్స్ చెప్పండి. ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ టుమారో who will be the customer and who will be the chemist for tomorrow's class. You can take the help of this model conversation. ఈ కాన్వర్సేషన్ హెల్ప్ గా తీసుకుని you can make your own conversation. ఆ వర్డ్స్ ని కొన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని ఈ వర్డ్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని మీరు మీ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ని బిల్డప్ చేయాలి. సో who are going to take that initiation? రేపు మనం అది ప్రెజెంట్ చేద్దాం. రేపటి క్లాస్ లో we are going to present that. So from any college, yes, I do it, ma'am. Rajesh Gantasala. May I know you're from which college, Rajesh? With the preparation, you can tell that. Rajesh, Swati, Sneha. Yeah, someone else. Rajesh, Swati, Sneha. ఇంకా ఎవరు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు ఫర్ టుమారోస్ క్లాస్? టుమారో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రెజెంట్. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా చెప్పాలని లేదు, ఈ వర్డ్స్ ని హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని యూ కెన్ మేక్ యువర్ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్. చాందిని ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రెడీ. సో ఐఎమ్ నోటింగ్ ద నేమ్స్. టుమారో ఐ విల్ కాల్ యూ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్ అప్ విత్ యువర్ కాన్వర్సేషన్స్. యా, ఐఎమ్ నోటింగ్ ద నేమ్స్. యా, Rajesh, you're from which college? Rajesh, Sneha, Swati, Chandini. ఇంకా ఎవరు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు? Rajesh, you're from which college?
నాకు ఫోన్ చేశాను.
Rajesh, you're from which college? Ma, tell your names. Type. ఇంకా ఎవరు? రాజేష్ విచ్ కాలేజ్ యు ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్? రాజేష్ నువ్వు ఒక్కడ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని టెల్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కాలేజ్. రాజేష్ ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్.
ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎస్సీ పిల్లలు సిమ్మలత.
Yeah, I have got 4 names: Rajesh, Sneha, Swati and Chandani. Okay, Sneha and Swati from Ichapuram College. Very good. GJC Ichapuram. Bhuvaneshwari, are you ready to? Bhuvaneshwari, you are from which college? Let me check this chat box.
Nice college.
Bhuvaneshwari from Government Junior College. ఏ కాలేజ్, ఏ ఊర్లో కాలేజ్ అమ్మా? ఏ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కాలేజ్ దట్ ఇస్? And we have Ichapuram, Sneha and Swati from Ichapuram. Rajesh from which college? So anybody else? I'm also ma'am from Vinukonda. May I know who is that? Skipping the previous charts. And we have Swati, Sneha from Ichapuram College. And Bhuvaneshwari is also from Guntur Government College. Okay.
College रे के college का पहुंचा के हमको अक्सर जाने इतने college हमके चाहिए बहुत अच्छा क्लास का लीव है तेरा मुंटा लीव है और बुद्धि ना
Venki Ramana, Vinukonda Government Junior College. Which Vinukonda. And Shanmuka. JJC Sompeta. And so I'm announcing the names who are going to participate in this. Abbai Reddy.
Shiluru Guntur College, Women's College.
GJC Addategala.
Gangamma, madam.
So I'm reading the name. I'm announcing the names. Those who are going to participate in tomorrow's conversation. మీ ఓన్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ని మీరు బిల్డప్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ ఆన్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. కెమిస్ట్ అండ్ కస్టమర్ మధ్యలో ఉన్న కాన్వర్సేషన్ మీరు మీ రియల్ లైఫ్ లో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసిందైనా చెప్పొచ్చు. అండ్ ఫర్ దట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్డ్స్ విచ్ ఐ హావ్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ ఎర్లియర్. And the participants are for tomorrow's. Rajesh, you have not mentioned your college, but Sneha and Swati from Ichapuram College, and Chandani also, and Bhuvaneshwari from Guntur Junior College, and Venki Ramana from Government Junior College, Vinukonda, and Shanmuka from Sompeta Junior College, and Abbai Reddy from Addategala Government Junior College. So these are the persons are going to present a conversation tomorrow. So I'm appreciating you for your initiation. Tomorrow you should get ready with that conversation. We'll practice it. Okay. We'll practice that conversation tomorrow. So please, all of you be in mute. So we have already learned English at different places, and we have learned at bank, post office, railway station, and we are practicing now with pharmacy, and we will continue this tomorrow at park and theaters and hospitals also. So tomorrow we'll start our session with these model with their conversations, those who has given their names today. So thanks for those the persons who has given their names, and also claps to their initiation. And also I want to congratulate the persons who are going to give their presentation as tomorrow. And for today, we have seen many active participants, and Kundana, you participated very actively in the session, and also the chemist, as a chemist, and the customer also, the role who has taken the customer role. And the other girls, Divya and her friends also participated very well in today's class, and hope you will do the same in tomorrow's class also. Have a happy day. And for today, we are winding up the session. Tomorrow, we'll join again. Have a nice day. Thank you, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah, what, Bhuvaneshwari? Bhuvaneshwari?
Ma'am, once again explain the matter, ma'am, about
Do one thing if possible. I'll show you the clippings, and display those things on the screen. And if possible, you take the screenshot. తీసుకొని దానిలో modifications చేయండి, ఓకేనా? I'll share the screen, and ఎవరెవరైతే నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చారో వాళ్ళు if possible దాని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవడానికి రెడీ ట్రై చేయండి, ఓకే? కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
I'll show that on the screen. తీసుకొని దానిలో మీరు చేంజెస్ చేయండి, ఓకే?
ఇది మనం ఫాలో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం.
సో ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే? ఇది క్లియర్ గా ఉందమ్మా మీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవడానికి? అది మీకు చూపిస్తాను, ఓకే? ఓకే, ఇది నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఈ రెండు వీలైతే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. ఎవరెవరైతే రేపు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని దానిలో చేంజెస్ చేయండి. డేస్ లో కానీ, నేమ్స్ లో కానీ, పర్సన్స్ లో కానీ, నంబర్ లో కానీ ఏదైనా చేంజ్ చేసి చేయండి. Hope you have all taken the screenshot of this ఏంటమ్మా చేంజెస్ అంటే? ఫస్ట్ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ డూ ఫర్ యూ సార్ అన్న దగ్గర హౌ కెన్ ఐ హెల్ప్ యూ సార్, వాట్ డూ యూ వాంట్ సార్, హౌ కెన్ ఐ మే హెల్ప్ యూ సార్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. అలాంటి చేంజెస్ ఏమైనా చేయండి. మెడిసిన్స్, ఐ వాంట్ టు బై సమ్ మెడిసిన్స్, ఐ వాంట్ సమ్ మెడిసిన్స్. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో చూసారా, there are I shall customer ని అడిగినప్పుడు it is in my coat pocket, I am trying to find it out అని ఉంది కదా. I shall just show you. ఇక్కడ సార్ ప్లేస్ లో మేడం ని రీప్లేస్ చేయండి. I shall just show you it was in my coat pocket అని ఉంది కదా, it was in my hand bag.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
అలాంటి చేంజెస్ ఏమైనా మీ క్రియేటివిటీతో చేంజ్ చేయండి, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
దీన్ని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నారా అమ్మా అందరూ? నెక్స్ట్ డిస్ప్లే చేయనా
మ్యామ్?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
మ్యామ్
చెప్పమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ అంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీయకుండా మామూలుగా జస్ట్ రాసుకున్నా మేడం, పర్లేదా?
ఎనీథింగ్ మీ ఇష్టం, రాసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మోడల్ టు యూ అంతే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
If possible, if you make a note of it, మీరు నోట్ చేసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు, లేదా మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు. అక్కడ చిన్న చిన్న చేంజెస్ చేసి మీరు రేపు ప్రెజెంట్ చేయండి.
Customer, you want to buy someone medicines.
So next continues చూపించినామా నెక్స్ట్ షేర్ చేయనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the next slide. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రైడే అన్న ప్లేస్ లో వేరే డే పెట్టండి. 10 మెడిసిన్స్ దగ్గర 4 చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు. అనసన్ ప్లేస్ లో మీరు ఇంకేమన్నా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. పారాసిటమాల్ అడగొచ్చు. ఏదైనా మీకు తెలిసిన నేమ్ ని మెడిసిన్ నేమ్ ని దాంట్లో రీప్లేస్ చేయండి. సో ఓకే, అందరూ నోట్ చేసుకున్నారమ్మా? యా, ఐల్ స్టాప్ దిస్. So have a nice day. Get ready for tomorrow's presentation. Have a pleasant day. Have a pleasant day. Thank you all for your active participation. Tomorrow, hope you'll come with the same active, your cheerful faces and your smiling faces. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir Gangadhar sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir Gangadhar sir.
Madam, చెప్పండి మేడం.
Sir, shall we leave the meeting?
Definitely.